Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video, we will learn about dual link HSB, dual link hot standby and inactive and standby mode. So one of our AC would be in active mode and other one would be in a standby mode. So AC1 would be in active mode and AC2 would be in standby mode. If AC1 will be down, so all the traffic will shift to the AC2 and AC2 will control all the APs and all the traffic will go through AC2. So if AC1 is recovered, so all the traffic shift to AC1. So here I define some of the specification that SwitchB will function as a DHCP server. So this switch will function as a DHCP server. We create a DHCP pool in a global modes and then this function as a DHCP pool to give the IP address to APs and stations. And the management VLAN would be our 100 and service VLAN would be a 101 and the backup VLAN for ACs would be 102. Backup VLAN means AC1 and AC2 will be connect to each other via this VLAN 102 and AC1 will be in active on IP and AC2 would be on a standby. So here I define the AC pools and this is the HSB link and the HSB IPs. So 10.23.102.1 would be our IP on AC1 on HSB channel and other IP 102.2 would be on AC2 on HSB channel. So we will do this same scenario on GUI mode as well. In our next video we will do this scenario on GUI mode. So here in this video we will go for CLI mode. So I will also share the script and the commands with you in this video description. So here I write the command. So these are the command I will share with you in the video description. So let's go toward the configuration. So let's start to from SwitchA. So first of all, system view, interface so system name is a SwitchA, and then we create a VLAN batch 100 and 101. No need to create 102 on this. There is no need of 102 VLAN on this SwitchA. So here we create VLANs and then we go in interface giga 0/0/1, which is facing this interface facing toward AP, and here we pass the VLAN port. Link type would be trunk and port trunk allow pass VLAN 100 and 101 and port trunk pvid. Pvid will define as a management VLAN. What would be the management VLAN? This would be the pvid of the port VLAN 100, and then we go in interface 2, interface giga 0/0/2, and here we pass the VLAN port link type trunk and port trunk allow pass VLAN 100 and 101. I'm going a bit faster so you can slow down the video and watch. So these are the basic settings, so I'm doing this somehow fast. So here in SwitchB system view, system name as a SwitchB interface. First of all, we create VLANs, VLAN 101, 100, VLAN batch 100 to 102. So display VLAN. So we create 102. So we have to create VLAN 101 as well. So we create 3 VLAN 100, 101 and 102. So we go in interface 0/0/1, which is facing to down, and here we pass 2 VLANs 100 and 101. Port link type trunk, port trunk allow pass VLAN 100, which is the management VLAN, and 101 for service VLAN. And we go in interface G002, which is facing AC1. Here we pass 2 VLANs. Port link type would be a trunk and port trunk allow pass VLAN, 100 for management and 102 for backup. Go back and we go in giga 0/0/3, the interface facing backup AC2, and port link type would be trunk, and port trunk allow pass VLAN 100 and 102. And now we go in above interface which is facing the router. Here we pass only one VLAN, port link type. Here we can give the access and port default VLAN, port default. If you want give trunk, or you can give trunk, or we are only passing one interface, so you can give any trunk, port trunk allow pass VLAN 101, and port trunk pvid. We have to match the pvid because above interface is a layer 3 interface, so pvid should be matched, otherwise data will not flow. Data will flow by default VLAN 1, so we have to match the pvid with this 101, so link will act as a access link. So now we go in AC1 and give the IP schemes. So here system name is AC1, and in VLAN we create VLAN batch 10 and 102. We go in interface giga 0/0/1. So here we link type trunk and port trunk allow pass VLAN 100 and 102. And go back, and here we create an SVI VLAN interface 100, and we give the IP address to this AP. This is the physical IP address of the AC controller physical IP address, which managed by network. So here would be 10.23.100.2 and 24. So this is the IP address. So we will give the IP address on backup VLAN as well, IP address. So this is will be the backup IP address which used to manage the HSB link between AC1 and AC2. So IP address would be 10.23.102.1, 1 on this side and 2 would be on AC2. Now we go in AC2 and do the same configuration, except IP address, system name AC2. So VLAN batch 100 and 102. So there is no need of 101 VLAN, which is the service VLAN on ACs. Service VLAN go through switch A to switch B to router 1 to go on internet. Only this will carry only data. So here interface giga 0/0/1, and port link type would be trunk, and port trunk allow pass VLAN would be 100 and 102, and here we create SVI as well, interface VLAN 100. So IP address would be 10.23.100.3. so 100.2 on this side AC1, 100.1 would be on core switch B, and 100.2 is on AC1 and 100.3 on AC2. So we go in interface VLAN 102. So here we will also give the IP address. So here we will give IP address as a 102.2 and 24. So this is the configuration of so this was a basic layer 3 configuration. We complete all the layer 3 configuration. Now we go on switch and create a DHCP pool, DHCP enable. So here we will create DHCP pool. We will not go for DHCP select interface. You can do it, but we will create DHCP pool because we create SVA here as well, but we will go for DHCP pools. So here we create IP pool, IP pool, IP IP pool for STA station, and its network would be 10.23.101.0, and mask would be 24. So let me show you. This would be the network of station, and then its gateway list. There are two gateway, 10.23.100.1 on 101.1.1 or here 24. This is the gateway, and other gateway 102 on router. So here router, go in router. Here we also complete layer giga 0/0/1, and IP address would be 10.23.101.2 and 24. So this is the IP address. So these are two gateway display this. So here we set two gateway. That's it. Now we go in IP pool, create IP pool for APs, and here we define the network as a 10.23.100.0 with the mask 24, and also we define a gateway list is a 10.23.100.1, which is we create here. 100.2 we create on IP AC1 and 100.3 on AC2. So 100.1 on core switch. So this will be our gateway for APs, and then we exclude IP address that we already define on ACs, AC1 and AC2, because DHCP will not provide those IP address to APs for the so it will create a conflict. So we exclude that IP address, exclude IP address 10.23.100.2 and 100.3. Display this. So we exclude these IP addresses. So we define gateway and all the other settings. So now we go to and create SPI's interface VLAN 100. IP address would be 10.23.100.1, and this is the SPI. Here we define DHCP select global. So we define DHCP here, and now we go in SPI of 101 IP address 10.23.101.1, 1 and 24. Let me show you. This is the write the IP. 101.1 I define here, and 101.2 I define on router. So these both are the gateway, and then here I will also define DHCP select global. So it will give the IP from the global pool. So let's go toward the configuration of WLAN. So I will do the configuration of WLAN on AC1. So you will repeat the same step and same SSID, and all these step would be same on AC2. So here I will share the script with you. So I define here as well that I will go with this IP address, and here I define repeat all these steps on AC2. So you will repeat all these steps from WLAN to till here on AC2 as well. So let's go on AC1 and do the configuration of WLAN. So first of all we go in WLAN, and here we create AP group name AP group. So AP group, and then go back, and here you create a regulatory profile name, default profile. You can give any name. So I'm using this name. So you have if you have a best practice, so you can use your own name. If you don't have the best practice, so follow my script. So I'm also following this script. Regulatory profile is a default, and then next step we define the country code. country code is China, it's already set. And then we go back, and here again we go in AP group 1, and here we add the regulatory profile default. And yes, now we define AP regulatory profile. Now we go back, now we select add the CapWeb tunnel. So here you define your CapWeb tunnel source interface. What is our management interface? The VLAN of management interface you will define here to create the CapWeb tunnel. Source interface would be VLAN 100. Now we again go in WLAN, and here we select the authentication type, AP authentication mode. So AP authentication mode would be MAC authentication. If you want to select serial authentication, as I told in my previous video how to configure WLAN in GUI mode, so go and watch that video. So there are many other options to authenticate APs via serial number, no authentication, or MAC authentication. I am going for MAC authentication. So here you have to define the MAC address of your AP. So AP ID 0 AP MAC. So how you find AP MAC? Just go here in SwitchA and display MAC address giga interface 0/0/1. This interface which is facing to AP, just display MAC address on this interface. You will find the MAC address coming through this interface. So this is the MAC address coming from this interface of AP switch. So this is the MAC address of your AP. So just add that MAC address in this. So I will adding it here as well. So I will run this script on AC2. Laterally I will run the script on AC2. So you have to done manually. So here an AP name. Now you can give the AP name, any name. Area 1, I am giving area 1, and then go back. Now we'll add this authentication in AP group. So AP group, what was the name of AP group? AP group 1. So this was our name. Yes. So we add this AP. Now we go toward the next step to create a security profile. So go back and create security profile name WLAN net. So I am adding this as a WLAN net, and here you will define your password. Sorry, I define here this as a security profile name WLAN net. This is not a serial profile, security profile, and here we will define the password of your SSID profile. So you can use many encryption or other algorithm here. So there are many options. So I am using a VPA2 and GSK passphrase. So you can add other authentication mode like 802.1x portal authentication and any other authentication, no authentication. So I adding here just password authentication. So my password is Huawei @123, and in the end I am selecting AES algorithm, advanced encryption algorithm. So just go back, and now you will create SSID profile name. I'm giving this name, so you can use any name of your choice. So WLAN net, and here you will add the SSID. So this would be your SSID, which will name of SSID which will broadcast when you go in the coverage area of AP. So that SSID will be broadcasting. The name of SSID you will give here. So I am using the same net, WLAN net. So you can use any net like wireless network or any name of your SSID which you normally use. So WLAN net. So now go back. So we will create VIP profile name. I'm using this name. It doesn't matter what name you use, but here you have to use the name what you want to keep your SSID name. So this is the important. Other all names are not important. AP group name and other, that would be for your recognition. So I'm creating VAP profile. Here I will define the forward mode. What would be our forward mode? So I'm using direct forwarding, not the tunnel forwarding. So I'm using here the data will go to direct, not through the cap web tunnel. So I'm using direct forwarding here. Here I define my SSID profile. So my SSID profile name was WLAN net, where we what we create. This is my SSID profile name. I am giving this name WLAN net here. My security profile name was WLAN net, same name. Keep remember your name, all the profiles names. So my security profile name was WLAN net. I'm giving here WLAN net, and then in last I will add a service VLAN. So what would be my service VLAN? Service VLAN ID. What is my service VLAN? 101. So my service VLAN is 1. These four things you will add: security profile, SSID profile, and then your service VLAN, and in last your forwarding mode. So if I run command display this, so now you can see here service VLAN, SSID, security, and in last I also run forwarding mode, direct forwarding. I think by default it has direct forwarding, that's why it's not showing here. So just go back. Now we go in AP group name. Our AP group name was AP group 1, and here we add that VAP profile. So VAP profile name, here you will give the name of VAP profile. What was our VAP profile name? So here we define the VAP profile name as a WLAN net. Here is the WLAN net. So I'm adding this here, WLAN net, and here you will select the WLAN. The ID of WLAN you can create 16 ID. So I'm selecting 1, and then you will radio 0 means the 2.4 giga, and 1 means the 5G band. So if you write 0 here, so your SSID will be broadcast via IP. Now you can see here your one SSID has been broadcast with 2.4G giga frequency, where its channel is 1. And now if you run the command, same command with 1, radio 1, the 5G band will also broadcast your 5G frequency. If your device is 5G supported, you can connect your Wi-Fi with 5G frequency. So here 5G with 149 channel band. So this is the configuration of AP. Here the configuration of WLAN has been completed. Now we go for the configuration of HSB. So do the same configuration on AC2 as well. So I'm running the script here. I have made the script. So my all the configuration will copy, and let's see. Hopefully there would no any mistake. Yes, and I think yes, it's gone right. Yes, all the configuration of AP in one step. Yes, my configuration is successful on AC2. So in AC1 now we will do HSB configuration. So just go here in WLAN, and here you have to give the, you go in AP group name, AP system, sorry, go back in system view, WLAN AP system profile, and name, system profile name you can select any, but I'm selecting WLAN net. And then in WLAN net I will select primary access. I will tell that my what is the IP of my primary AC. So my primary AC primary AC IP address is, so IP address is 10.23.100.2 was my primary IP address, primary AC IP address. So it's saying that it will action will be affected after the AP reset. So my primary here I will give the my secondary IP, sorry, backup access IP address is a 10.23.100.3 is my backup IP of AC. So I run this command go back, and here you want to run the command. So I make this AP system profile. So just add this system profile in AP group to make it effective. So AP group, our AP group was name was AP group 1, and add this AP system profile. AP system profile name was WLAN net. Yes, and here you if you want to run the command AC protected, it will protect your ACs. Yes, so do the same configuration on AC2 as well. So we are here in AC2, and here I will make a system profile AP system profile name WLAN net, and here I will give the primary access IP address. IP address is 10.23.100.2, and my backup access IP address is 10.23.100.3, and after that go in AP group name AP group 1 and add this system profile AP system profile in this group. Tell that group that your primary AC is 10.100.2 and secondary AC is 100.3. So name, sorry, WLAN net. So I add this. So just run command AC protected enable. So this command protect your ACs, and here you have to run the command AP reset all. Now you can see here we make changes and add AP system profile in AP group, and our SSID has been gone. So we will push that configuration to AP. AP by resetting AP, that dual link backup configuration has been activated. So ACs will deliver this dual link backup configuration to APs. So we have to reset our ACs. So just go here, reset AP. So we have a command AP reset all. AP reset all. Yes. Now we go in AC2. Here as well AP reset all. Yes, it will push the configuration of HSB dual link backup to the all the APs connected to it. Now we go in HSB. So we create an HSB channel of we create a VLAN 102 for the backup VLAN as a backup VLAN for the HSB. Now we go toward the configuration of HSB service 0, and here we will define the backup IP address, backup VLAN IP address, that our service port local IP would be 10.23. Here I define that HSB channel for AC IP address would be this one for AC1, and for AC2 is 102.2. So I am creating HSB channel 10.102.1 for my local IP, and here I am AC1. My local IP is 102.1 and my peer IP is, and peer IP address is 10.23.102.2, and then we have to select the local port number. So if you question mark, so these are the range of HSB service tunnel ports. So just select any port number, random port. So you have to select both same port on both sides. So I'm selecting 10241, and then peer data port, and 10241 I'm selecting same port. So I will run this same command on AC2. There in AC2 I will select my local IP as a 102.2, and my peer IP would be 102.1. So I'm creating HSB channel here as well. HSB 0, sorry, HSB service, it's not HSB group. Service 0, here I will select service port, IP port, my IP local IP is 10.23.102.2. Here local IP is 2, and my peer IP is 10.23.102.1. My peer IP is this one. And then data port, local data port is same 10241, and my peer data port is also 10241. So we'll go back in AC1. Here we will we will bind this HSB service with our WLAN profile. So we'll go in HSB service, sorry, HSB service type AP, and then HSB service 0, and our HSB service type access user for access user, and then HSB service 0. We run this same command on to HSB service type AP, and HSB service 0, and then HSB service type for access user, and HSB service 0. So our hot backup HSB configuration has been completed. Now we will save this configuration and then go toward shifting. So our configuration has been saved. So let's connect, first connect the PC. Start this PC. So you can see here the WLAN ID. So here you can select Huawei @123. So it will connect. The password we select previously. So I'm connecting this with channel 1 with 2.4. It's connected. So let's ping first. It will ping till core switch 10.23.101.1, which is SVI we create here. We we define the gateway 102 on router. So yes, this is our gateway, and it will ping our gateway, and after gateway it will go on internet, whatever routing you will do. So let's check our command with the command. So display AP system profile name WLAN net. We create WLAN net. So here it will tell that our primary AC is this one, its IP address is this, our backup AC IP address is 100.3, and then if we display HSB, sorry, HSB service 0. So here you can see our local IP is HSB service local IP is 102.1, and peer IP is 102, and service connect state is connected to peer. If suppose this here as well, we can check this command, display HSB service 0. Now you can see here our local IP is this, and peer IP is this one, and our service state is connected. And now we go on AC1. Its traffic is going through AC1. So let's shift the AC system view. So in case this AP go down, we'll shut this interface and disconnect this AP. Shut. So we shut this AP. Now our this AP has been shut. So our active AP has been shut. Our primary backup AP will take all the service. So all this service is running through AP2. If you run this command again, HSB display HSB service 0. Now you can see here uh, this service state has been disconnected. From here as well, service state has been disconnected. So all this radio is running through AP AC2. If this recovers, so all this service will shift to AC1. So this how dual backup will work. One AC work as an active and other AC act as a backup. So undo shut. So traffic will shift from AC2 to AC1. So AC1 will take all the radio management. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like the video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in comments. So I'm sharing this script in this video description. So you can just take the script and copy paste, and then because it's a very long video, and that's why I'm sharing this script with you. So for the easiness. So thank you very much.